It is such a wonderful day to have another Dior Beauty unboxing. Oh! Let's get started. Alright, let's get to it right away. Here we go. And it's all sealed. Ah. I'm very excited to see if I am receiving the Lunar New Year gift for the second time. We will see. Here we go. Oh! Wow, this is actually the Valentine's Day gift box. There we go. Let's see. So this is my second Dior Beauty order here in Canada. And this is the first order that I purchased with a promo code. So we will see if first we will receive, or I will receive, the Lunar New Year giveaway in this one, and we will see how the Miss Dior Cosmetic Pouch will look. If you have been following my updates in shorts and in my community posts, you know that I'm sharing promo codes for both US and Canadian shoppers, and this is the first one with the Canada promo code. I'm not sure if it's still available, but I will write the promo code right here, and you should try it if you are planning to purchase something from the Dior Beauty website. And as usual, I wrote myself something. I just put "Hello gorgeous," and here it is. So this is the item I ordered. We will check it out later. As usual, we would like to check the freebies first. So first thing is the sample I got. It's always the same thing. They didn't have a lot of options, so I just got the same thing because, again, these are good for when you are traveling. And you'll probably see also the same deluxe sample because this order is more than $100. So I got, again, my favorite, Dior Addict Lip Maximizer. Here it is. I could have one for each of my purses now. So there you have it. And surprise, surprise, they again sent me the Lunar New Year pouch, but no envelope this time. So if you've seen my recent video, I was surprised to receive the Lunar New Year giveaways because when I placed that order, there was no promotion going on at that moment. So I was really surprised that they included that, my order, and with the envelopes. So if you haven't seen that video, make sure you watch it after this one. I'll make sure to link it at the end of this video. So here it is. So I have two of these now, actually three. I also received one last year. So this is my third pouch, and I'll probably give them to my friends. I already have some friends that are asking me to give them one. So there you have it. And for my first promo code here in Canada, I received this. Oh, it's actually very big. The Miss Dior Cosmetic Pouch. I love that it's see-through because these are good for traveling, and it's perfect for the items that I just purchased. So there you have it. If you missed the promo code, make sure to subscribe because I always put them on my community post, and I create shorts as well whenever new codes are coming out. Again, I do share codes for both US and Canadian shoppers. I'll do my best to find information for other countries, but I cannot promise. So for now, it will be mostly the US and Canadian shoppers. So yep, there you have it. And this is, I think, the same size of the cosmetic pouch that I already received before that I'm actually using. Let me get it. This is my current makeup pouch. I like it because it's see-through and I could see everything here. And this is the new one, and this will be perfect for my skincare whenever we go travel. And we are traveling soon, and the reason I bought those products, which we will check out right now. Okay, so let's check out what I got. So if you are long-time subscriber, you probably know already that Capture Totale products is always in my unboxing. I love them since the day I tried them. Well, I will rephrase that a little bit. So I love them, but then the very first formula was very fragrant. So I like it. I like the effect on my face, but I don't like the scent. There were times then that, because I applied it before I sleep, and I couldn't sleep right away because it smells so good, and I am allergic to something that's very fragrant, that smells super good. So I'm happy that they changed the formula, and the current formula it's very mild. It smells good, but it's super mild and actually very soothing. So this is my favorite skincare product, the Capture Totale line. But I'm only using the Intense Essence Lotion and Capture Totale Serum. I use the essence lotion every day and the serum once or twice a week. But I'm gonna try to use the serum every night now because I think my face is ready for it. Before, I feel like a burning sensation, especially right here. But now I think I might be ready for a daily use. Maybe I'll up my usage like every other day, and then if I see that it's going well, then I'll do it every day. So this is the full size that lasts me a year because, like I've said, I only use it once or twice a week. And this essence lotion this time it lasts me more than 6 months. I think because I'm also using another product. I only use it at nighttime and I use the other cream. I don't like using multiple products on my face at the same time because I always get that burning feeling and I start getting bumps. But I think now, because I'm so used to it and I'm ready to level up my skincare routine, and I could now start using maybe 2 products at a time. So right now in the morning I use this and my Madam J tone up cream. So yep, and for that reason, because I'm using the Madam J tone up cream, I am not really using the Cell Energy thick cream. So I'll probably give that. The eye serum, I only use it every time I get a gift set like this one. I never bought it on its own. Currently, right now, I don't feel the need to use extra product for my eyes, but again, whenever I get it in this set, then I use it. So yep, let's open it up. And this is $100 in the US, and it's 126 Canadian dollars. And because of the price in Canada, I was able to get the Lunar New Year promotion and also was able to use the promo code to get the Miss Dior Cosmetic Pouch. So let's open it up. This is actually the first time I am getting this set. I usually get the one with the pouch because, again, I gift the pouch to my friends. So the one with the pouch is $165 with the same exact products. So since I already getting the pouch through the promo code, I thought I really don't need to buy the one with the pouch because that's like $65 difference. 65. So the US price is 165 and the Canadian price is 205. So the one with the pouch is 205 and this one is 126. Okie dokie. So here it is. Dior presentation is always the most beautiful. Let me fix that. Okay. Go. So we have the essence lotion, my favorite, the serum, and this eye cream. The eye cream before didn't have the roller. I think this is the first time I am getting this with the roller. There you go. So this one has this metal applicator. Now that it came out, I'll just use it on my hand so I won't waste the product. And I think what you do is to use the metal part to rub the product. So I don't want to waste it. Let me close it because it seems like it's gonna keep going. So yep. So yeah, there you have it. The first product in the set. It's this Dior Super Potent Eye Serum. And we are traveling soon, that's why I got this set. And this is almost done. So if I'm gonna have another Dior unboxing soon, it'll probably with a full size of this essence lotion. But for now, I'll probably be able to survive 3 months with this. And again, it's perfect for when we go travel because it's a travel size. And then the next product is the serum. I still have an open one of this from my purchase last year. So two of these will probably last me 6 months unless I start using it every day. Then I might finish it up very quickly. But I think I should survive with two of this size for the next 4 to 6 months. Last item is this Cell Energy Cream. Again, I am not using this. I tried this before. I used to get the samples and I didn't feel anything special about it, maybe because I'm not really using it on a daily basis. But for now, I am very happy with my Madame J Tone-Up Cream. And this one, if one of my friends want to try it, I'll probably just gift it to one of them. So just a little segue. So this is the Madame J Tone-Up Cream, and it lasts me for 6 months or more, depending on how much I use it. So right now I actually use it and I didn't put any foundation, and that's why I love this because it's just perfect in the morning. I love the glow up. Like after I use it, I feel like my face looks glowing. So yep, for that reason, I am not using this one. Thank you for joining me for yet another Dior Beauty unboxing. And if you missed out on the codes, on the promo codes that just happened recently, don't worry because there's definitely more codes coming soon. I'm very sure of it. I've been shopping Dior Beauty products for the longest time now, and so I could tell you guys that there's gonna be more codes coming soon, especially this coming Valentine's Day and definitely on Mother's Day. So if you don't want to miss out on more Dior beauty deals, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button so you don't miss out on the great deals. Again, thank you for watching this video and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!